I start to lose sight of the identity I've created.
Hey friends, it's Alina, and in this video I'm going to walk you through my full moon ritual and how to create one for yourself. So let's get started. The full moon is the ideal time for wrapping up, reaping from, and reflecting on any projects or habits you started during the previous new moon, the previous week, month, 6 months, or even year. The full moon also acts as a massive cosmic spotlight, illuminating what has and hasn't been working for you in all aspects of your life. This is the optimal time for self-reflection and spiritual cleansing through a full moon ritual. Step 1 is to prepare your space. In order to do a full moon ritual, the most basic thing you'll need will be just a pen and paper. But for mine, I'll be including a cushion for the floor, a bundle of sage for smudging, some crystals like rose quartz and clear quartz for clarity and opening up my heart chakra, and the Aligned Life Planner, because it's a full year's planner with monthly dedicated full and new moon pages for my rituals. Energetically, this is a great time for smudging your physical space with sage or Palo Santo or even rosemary or eucalyptus. It's also great to sit as close to the earth as possible to clear stagnant energy. Burning sage actually releases negative ions, which can get rid of the more harmful positive ions that our electronic devices can oftentimes emit. Once your energetic and physical space is cleared, a great way to clear your mental space is through mindful meditation. I like to use one of these 3 apps on my phone for some guided meditation, especially if I haven't done it in a while and I want to get back into the groove of it. This is great, especially if you're a beginner as well. This is a great way also to get grounded and centered with the present moment. If your mind still doesn't feel clear, starting with journaling a full 2 pages of just whatever comes to mind can do wonders also. I use the notes page on my Aligned Life Planner for this before filling out the actual full moon page in the next step. Step 2 is write it out. Next, it's time to write a list of what you'd like to release from your life. This can be habits, people, energy, or whatever first comes to mind. This is your monthly opportunity to truly reflect on the habits, behavior, and environments that haven't been serving you and process why you've held on to them, as well as what it will look like once you let them go. The full moon also represents a culmination of whatever you've created over the past few months or few weeks. And reflecting on the outcome of your behavior and whether or not it's been working can be very constructive for self-improvement. Step 3 is make it disappear. It is very common for this ritual to be done with the cleansing light of the full moon to aid in purification. And it is also common to burn the paper where the list is written down on for that same reason. What I love about the Aligned Life Planner is that all of the full moon pages in this planner are ready to be torn out and destroyed. And a safe alternative to burning is to simply just tear it up and throw away your page. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the basics of a full moon ritual. And if you're curious about the 2020 Aligned Life Planner, it'll be available for pre-order this month. So click the link in the description to learn more, because depending on when you're watching this, it might already be on sale. A majority of this guided video actually came from the Aligned Life Planner, as the first part of the planner is actually dedicated to breaking down the significance of full and new moons, retrogrades, eclipses, along with actually tracking all of those through symbols throughout the whole planner. So, as always, I'm going to go ahead and say bye and remind you to be gentle with yourself, because life is about the journey and not the destination. Bye, guys.